Hey guys, it's Tate here from Ready Set Drone. Today is a super exciting day because we just got a new RC truck in the mail from GearBest, so let's check it out. So this truck just came in the mail from GearBest. It is the Spirit. I think that's what it's called. It's a, you know what, I'm gonna get it for you. But it says on the box that it can do 36 plus kilometers per hour. That's quite fast. So here's the actual truck right here. It's a lot smaller than most of the trucks we do. You can see it has the green. I'll lift this hood off, and there it is underneath. You have your motor right there, your one brush motor. So here is the battery that's supplied in the box. You only get the one, but it is a 500 milliamp hour 2S battery. So I'm going to show you how to pop it in because it's a little bit confusing. Right here you have the green connector. So you take the green connector and attach it to the green connector. Pop that in. And then you lay it in this little compartment right there with like that. And then you move this out of the way, and then you put that little bar, and then you move that. So now that's securely in there. That's not going to fall out. So also on the interior, you can see the suspension. Pretty good suspension, so you should be able to go over pretty low obstacles like cracks in the sidewalk, stuff like that. Yeah, other than that, not a super heavy-duty truck compared to the ones we've reviewed in the past, but should be a good toy. So I'm going to show you how to put this little hood on. It's the standard way. So they supply you with these little clips right here, and then there are holes in these little black nubs. You put the clips in. So one thing I really appreciate about this truck is that it is charged, the battery is charged with a standard USB port. So that means across pretty much all countries, pretty much anywhere, you can charge this truck with your laptop or with anything that charges USB. We'll move on to the remote right here. Standard remote, you got your throttle forward, backward, you got your little steering wheel, and then you have the trim at the top, and yeah, that's pretty much it for the remote. You can see where the batteries go right there. 3 AA batteries. I think we should drive this thing, shouldn't we? All right, so another huge plus, which is a tiny little design feature, but it makes a huge difference, is that the on switch, you can zoom in on that real quick, is actually on the side of the truck. So that means you don't have to pull the hood off and flip it on and off and then put the hood back on and waste battery. So you can just turn it on without doing anything to the truck. So we have our remote on now. Turn our car on. Car is on. You can see it's engaged. Let's run it off the table. Ah! How'd it do? Oh, it's upright. Look at that. So cute running around the backyard. And tiny compared to the ones we've done in the past. It's actually a really good speed because some of the ones we've had are like to the point where they're running so fast that they're almost uncontrollable. This has enough speed to get up and go, but yet you can still fully maneuver whenever you need to. Woo! Really hitting corners hard and it'll just flip on over, and that's no good. Alright everybody, so we have the Sprite Green Spirit here. And I really enjoyed messing around with this. It's definitely more of a toy than some of the bigger ones that you'll find out on the market. So great for kids. The throttle trim, you can turn it back when you have your younger kid playing around with it so they can't go quite as fast. It didn't topple over no matter how much we tried. And the battery life was pretty good. And the price on this thing is just unmatchable in the market right now. It's really performing high for such a low price. And so if you're new to RC, or if you're looking to purchase an RC car for a child or anything like that, we will put a link in the description so you can check out the Spirit for yourself and get it on GearBest. If you want merch, we'll also put that link in this description. And remember that Spin Up tickets are live right now, so if you want to have fun and learn about drones, then definitely come to Spin Up and support the channel. So, thanks for watching, guys, and we'll see you in the next one.